Exercise 10.1, question number 1. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. So here is the first shape. So in this we are going to find the dimensions of line segments. So here first AB 40 centimeters. Next BC. Next CD. Next DE. Next EA. So AB 40 centimeters, BC 50 centimeters, CD 35 centimeters, DE 60 centimeters, EA 45 centimeters. So if you are going to add all these dimensions, you will get the perimeter of the shape here. So here when you are going to add, you will get here 0 and 2, 3. So 230 centimeter is the perimeter of this shape. Next shape, we are going to see the same thing, the dimensions of each line segment. So here first AB, next BC, next CD, next DE, next EF, next FG, next GH, next HI, next IJ, next JK, next KL, next LA. The first AB 8 centimeters they have given here. Next BC is nothing but LA. So that is LA 3 centimeters. So BC will also become 3 centimeters. So here 3 centimeters. CD is nothing but LK. So that is 3 centimeters. Next DE. So DE is given 5 centimeters. Next EF. So EF is also 3 centimeters, which is equal to JI. Next FG, which is given 2 centimeters. Next GH, which is equal to AB. So that is 8 centimeters. Next HI, which is equal to GF, that is 2 centimeters. Next IJ, which is given 3 centimeters. Next JK, which is equal to ED, so that is 5 centimeters. Next KL, which is given 3 centimeters. Next LA, which is equal to 3 centimeters. So next we are going to add all this data. So 8, 3, 3, 14, 14, 5, 19, 19, 3, 22, 22, 2, 24, 24, 8, 32, 32, 2, 34, 34, 3, 37, 37, 5, 42, 42, 3, 45, 45, 3, 48. So 48 is the perimeter of this shape. Next, third shape. So here data given is AB next BC, next CD, next DE, next EF, next FGG, next GH, next HA. So AB given is 6 centimeters, BC 2 centimeters, CD 2 centimeters, D 2 centimeters, next EF 2 centimeters, FGG 2 centimeters, GH 2 centimeters, HA 6 centimeters. All this we are going to add 6 to 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 6, 24. 24 centimeters is the perimeter of this shape. Next, fourth shape. So here also we are going to find the dimensions of the line segments here. AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH, HI, IJ, JK, KL, LL. So AB given data is 2 centimeters, BC which is equal to AL 4 centimeters, CD which is equal to KL 4 centimeters, D which is equal to JK 2 centimeters, next EF 4 centimeters, FG 4 centimeters, GH 2 centimeters, HI 4 centimeters, IJ which is equal to EF 4 centimeters, next JK 2 centimeters, next KL 4 centimeters, next LA 4 centimeters. Now add all the dimensions. 2, 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 4, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 36 plus 4, 40. So 40 centimeter is the perimeter of this shape. Next, question number 2. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So figure triangle is given here, rectangle, square, a polygon. What could be the cost of putting a wire around each of these shapes given that 1 centimeter wire costs rupees 15? So here first we are going to see the perimeter of these shapes, then we are going to calculate the cost of the wire. The first shape we are going to see is a triangle. So triangle, here we are going to add all the sides here. That means side 1, side 2, side 3. So side 1 55 centimeters, next 35 centimeters, next 30 centimeters. So all when you are going to add, you will get 120 centimeters. This is the perimeter of the triangle. Next we are going to see the rectangle shape. So rectangle perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B means 2 here. Length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeters. So 40 plus 20. So that will be here 40 plus 20, 60, and 60 into 2, 120. So here 120 centimeters. Next, third shape you are going to see square here. So square perimeter we know 4 into side. So side here is equal, that is 30 centimeters. So 4 into 30, that will be 120 centimeters. Next, fourth shape, that is hexagon. The perimeter will be 6A, 6 into side. So side is equal 24 centimeters, that is 6 into 24. Then we get here 144 centimeters. So these are the perimeter of different shapes. Next question, what could be the cost of putting a wire around each of these shapes given that 1 centimeter wire costs rupees 15? So 1 centimeter wire costs 15 rupees. Then what could be the cost of 120 centimeters? We are going to find out. That means 120 into 15 we are going to multiply. Then we will get the cost of the wire. That means 120 centimeters into 15. Then we get here 1800 rupees. In the same way, rectangle 120 into 15, here also we are going to see rupees 1800. Here also 1 centimeter 120 into 15, rupees 1800. Next again 144 into 15, then we get rupees 2160. So this is the cost of different shapes here: triangle, rectangle, square, and hexagon. Next, third question, how many different rectangles can you make with a 24 centimeter long string with integral sides, and what are the sides of those rectangles in centimeters? So 24 centimeter string is there. So with that we are going to make the shapes of the rectangle here. So first we are going to divide 24 by 2. So that will you are going to get 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters is the sum of length and breadth here. So with this sum we are going to divide the length and breadth here, different shapes. So the possibilities of length and breadth of these 12 centimeter dimension will be, the first one you are going to see 1 and 11. Second you are going to see 2, 10. Third you are going to see 3, 9. Fourth 4, 8. Fifth 5, 7. Sixth 6, 6. So here when you are going to see the perimeter 1, 11 means 12 you are going to get of length and breadth, and next length and breadth will be 12, so total will be 24. Okay. So here suppose, so this will be the length 11 centimeter, this will be 1 centimeter, again this will be 11 centimeter, this will be 1 centimeter, so total will be 24 centimeters here. In the same way 2 and 10, so here you are going to see the breadth 2 and length will be 10 here, so here also 10, here also 2, so total will be 24 centimeters. So in this way 3, 9, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6, 6. So these are the possible dimensions you are going to see to form different rectangles. Question number 4. A flower bed is in the shape of a square with a side 3.5 meters. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of ropes. Find the cost of rope required at rupees 15 per meter. So here the data given is a square is there here, so which is having the dimension 3.5 meters here, and it is fenced with 4 rows of rope. That means here we are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 ropes. So in the same way we are going to say all 4 sides we are going to see 4 ropes here. 4 ropes. So first we are going to see the perimeter of the square here. The perimeter of the square of one side we are going to see the perimeter of a square, we know 4 into side. So here we are going to see 4 into side is 3.5 centimeters into 4 rows. Again we are going to see 4 rows here, that means into 4 into 4. So here we are going to get the perimeter of the square here. So 4 into 3.5 into 4, so we get here 56 here. So 56 meters is the perimeter of this square. So again they asked the find the cost of rope required rupees 15 per meter. So per meter 15 rupees means for 56 how much? So 56 into rupees 15. 56 into 15 we get here 840 rupees. So this will be the answer. Question number 5. A piece of wire is 60 centimeters long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form an equilateral triangle, a square, a regular hexagon, a regular pentagon? So here different shapes have been given. So here the perimeter of the different shapes, first we are going to find out, then we are going to find out the dimension of one side. So equilateral triangle perimeter will be 3a. So 3a, which is the formula, and the perimeter will be 60 centimeters. So 3a is equal to 60 centimeters, then a will be 60 by 3, so that will be 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters is the dimension of one side. Next, a square. So square perimeter will be 4a. So 4a is equal to 60 centimeters, then a is equal to 60 by 4, so that will be 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeters is the dimension of one side of a square. Next, a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon is 6a, that will be 60 here. Then a is equal to 60 by 6, so that will be 10 centimeters. Fourth one, a regular pentagon, which is 5a is equal to 60. Then a will be 60 by 5, so that will be 12 centimeters is the dimension of one side. Question number 6. Bunty and Bubly go for jogging every morning. Bunty goes around a square park of side 80 meters and Bubly goes around a rectangular park with length 90 meters and breadth 60 meters. If they both take 3 rounds, who covers more distance and by how much? So here Bunty, when you are going to see, so he is covering a square park. So this will be your square park, which has one side 80 meters. One side 80 meters. So here we are going to see the perimeter. So perimeter will be 4a, 4 into side, that means 4 into 80. Next they asked that they took 3 rounds. So 4 into 80 means, and 3 rounds they have covered. That means into 3 when you are going to do, then you get 960 meters is the perimeter of the distance covered by Bunty. Next, Bubbly, when you are going to see, his shape is rectangular. So this is rectangular, which is having breadth 60 meters and length 90 meters here. So here we know the perimeter of rectangular 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 90 plus 60 will be the perimeter of rectangle, and he has covered 3 rounds, then into 3, then we get here 900 meters. So Bunty covered 960 meters and Bubbly covered 900 meters. Again they asked by how much the distance. So by how much the distance means Bunty covered more. Who covered more distance means Bunty. Bunty covered more distance by how much? By 60 meters. Question number 7. The length of a rectangle is twice of its breadth. If its perimeter is 48 centimeters, find the dimensions of the rectangle. So the given data is length is equal to twice its breadth. That means L is equal to 2b. L is equal to 2b. So here, if the perimeter is 48 centimeters, find the dimensions of the rectangle. So perimeter means perimeter of a rectangle. Formula 2 into L plus B. That will be how much? 48 centimeters, which is the given data. Now we are going to find the dimensions of rectangle. So we know that L is equal to 2b. So we are going to substitute the value in this formula, that is 2. L is equal to 2b plus b, that will be 48. Then 2 is equal to 3b, that is equal to 48. Then 6b is equal to 48. B is equal to 48 by 6, that is equal to 8 meters. So B is 8 meters, then we are going to find L. So we know that L is equal to 2B. So L is equal to 2B, that means 2 into 8. So that will be 16. So L will be 16 meters. B is 8 meters here. Question number 8. Two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeters and 14 centimeters. The perimeter of a triangle is 36 centimeters. What is the length of third side? So here we know that perimeter of a triangle will be side plus side plus side. That means A plus or A1 plus A2 plus A3. So this will be your perimeter. So the perimeter of a triangle is given, that is, this is the perimeter of a triangle. So two sides has been given, that means A1 suppose 12 centimeters, A2 that is 14 centimeters, and A3 we are going to find out, and perimeter is given, that is 36 centimeters. So here we are going to find out the third side here. That means here 12 plus 14 you get 26 plus A3, that is equal to 36, and A3 is equal to 36 minus 26, and A3 will be 10 centimeters. So the third side will be 10 centimeters. Question number 9. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. First one, a triangle of sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Second, an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeters. Third one, an isosceles triangle with equal sides of 8 centimeters each and third side of 6 centimeters. The first one, when you are going to see the sides of a triangle. So here we know the sides of a triangle. When you are going to add, you get the perimeter. That means the given data is 3, 4, 5 centimeters. That means 3 plus 4 plus 5. You are going to see 12 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of a triangle. Next, an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeters. So equilateral triangle means 3 into side. That means 3a. So that will be 3 into 9 centimeters. So that will be 27 centimeters. Third one, an isosceles triangle with equal sides of 8 centimeters each, and third side will be 6 centimeters. That means 2a plus b. So that means 2 into one side is 8 centimeters plus the third side will be 6 centimeters. So that means 16 plus 6, that is 22 centimeters. So these are the perimeters of the different shapes.